whatever yesterday incident happened, it is unfortunate. But who is responsible for that? I have already explained to you. It is the responsibility of the state government. They could have taken precautions. The Prime Minister office has got abundant staff, not only in, out, and plus his CBI, his IB, his SPG, and other paraphernalia. Apart from that, he has already mentioned in each program how many people should accompany him. 31 people in one place, 15 people in another place. So like that he has mentioned, right from photographer to TV anchor. He has mentioned it. And even in spite of state government also told the weather is also not good, you can relook. Then IB people, director IB said, no, everything is okay, we can go. Therefore, a man who wanted to go by helicopter, suddenly he changed his program, telling that the weather is not. This was informed earlier itself. But he suddenly changed his route and he wanted to go by road. And as you know, Punjab is very volatile about the farmers' issue. And naturally, when Prime Minister comes from this side, some people might have thought that to give some memorandum or something. State government tried its best to disperse them, they removed them, and from Prime Minister's convoy to the farmers or other people, 15, 20 feet away, nobody was nearby, 15 meters away, sorry. Nobody was there. But in spite of that, you are blaming it. But the real thing is that where you wanted to address that Hussainwalia, where he wanted to address, or Firozpur, where he wanted to address, there hardly 700 to 800. Then the feedback came from the party and their officers. Sir, people are not there, they are not responding. And empty chairs you have seen, at least part of empty chairs you might have seen, not full. So, after thinking that, he said that it is better way to convey that instead of lack of people, there was no proper response from his program. Then he thought, better let us go by car. And naturally, the farmers or anybody comes, there should be some gadbad. And then he will say that state government is not done enough arrangement. Therefore, I came back. So it is just to put blame on state government. The BJP government is playing this game. And if he is so fine man, Chief Minister, his first time a Dalit has become in Punjab. Always the rich people are people who have got political power. Such people only became chief ministers. But first time Rahul Gandhi ji put it, a Dalit man, Dr. Chani, who is MSc PhD, and just to destabilize Punjab government, because it is a Congress government, and because elections are coming, and because if they create such situation, the polarization will be there. So this is a politics of polarization, blame game, and just to defame Chennai and his government. That's why they have done this, and I have shown already his programs. How first program, how many people, second program, where is landing and how many people will be accompanied, fourth, like that, all details I have got. But they are in a habit of always propagating false propaganda. No, but immediately after the incident, when Prime Minister himself says that मैं बच गया साला नहीं, he said मैं बच गया, हाँ, मैं धन्यवाद बोलिए आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर. If any Prime Minister says like this, you have got so many vehicles, convoys, security. आप अगर if Prime Minister is going from any route, nearly 10-15 vehicles, convoy first go, they check, they come back, and again when he goes, again they follow him. This is the system, and he has got 5 times, 10 times of security compared to previous prime ministers. And such man is blaming the state government. It is unfortunate, and one should not make politics. We respect, he is our prime minister. We respect any prime minister of this country. One should respect them, and it is not the question of X, Y or Z. Therefore, this is a gimmick. That's why just I wanted to explain to you. I have come and I personally have spoken to Chennai, and he also gave details, and those details I placed before you. And in future, such affected, means my staff was affected by COVID, I am with them. Therefore, I will not be able to receive Prime Minister on that spot. He also informed. But in spite of that, nobody has gone, nobody has informed. Their officers know that, everything they know. So, one should not insult any state. The people of Punjab, Punjab people are very highly respected, a marshal, and they defend our borders, country, and such situations should not happen. Not taking lightly. That's why a High Court judge and a Chief Justice together, Chief Secretary, together we have immediately constituted a committee. That probe will conduct it, and inquiry will be done. If any security lapse on the part of state government, they will be punished. We are not going to lightly, but don't make too much politics of this.